Today we are still in the city of Fort Pierce, and we're doing something that we've never done here before. We are at the FAU Harbor Branch Oceanographic Center, Discovery Center, and I think there's like 10,000 gallons of aquaria here and some different things in their welcome center, and I hope we're at the right spot. So we're gonna see if we can figure this out. Okay, Vivian, what do you think it is?
I think it's an aquarium.
Okay, and what do you hope that we get to do today?
I hope there's a touch.
Okay, we'll see if there's a touch tank. And Pierce, what do you think it is?
I want to go in the car. That's bigger than me.
Yeah, there's a trolley back there.
I have one more thing.
Oh, you have one more thing?
I hope we have a good time.
I think that's good. So I read online that the Discovery Center is open, or the Welcome Center is open from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday, and that it is free to enter, but there is a recommended $5 donation. But I'm trying to pull on the doors, and it's 9:48 a.m., so we got here early. I don't know how this happened.
I'm wondering if we get to ride in this thing. I hope so. I think that would be fun. At least they keep themselves entertained.
They're open. The kids got a scavenger hunt once we entered, and also it turns out that the tram tour runs on Saturdays at 1 p.m. and I think they want you to register in advance, but there did seem to be a registration in the front at the gift shop. And also there's a boat tour that's available, and it runs on Fridays. I think it's $25 per person for either of those tours. All right, Vivian, what did you find?
I find seagrass and I find the
Very good. And look up here, you can learn all about the seagrass. Remember we learned about seagrass last week when we went to the St. Lucie Aquarium? The seagrass beds are submerged flowering plants that occur throughout the shallow coastal waters around the world. And they form a dense underwater meadow that provides essential habitat and food for a diverse community of animals. We've been learning that they improve water quality by introducing oxygen and then recycling nutrients and stabilizing sediments and reducing coastal erosion.
Skeleton of a dolphin. It's a dolphin skeleton.
Yep, it's a dolphin.
Cool, huh? That's what they look like underneath all their blubber.
It's also a theater, and the air conditioning in here is very nice, and I especially appreciate that because it's the month of September in Florida, the peak of hurricane season. So I might just sit in here by myself, which is also another feature. A nice, dark, quiet room that has disinterested the children. I think that this is where I'm gonna relax. Okay, I literally did get drawn into that video, and now the family is going outside without me, so I'm gonna catch up.
All right, now we're outside checking out the outdoor portion of the center, and we're gonna see what's in these big tubs. Looks like we got some sea lettuce here, and some red seaweed. Looks like some sea urchins in there. What's in there, Bubba?
So there's a map on the wall where you can learn about how this hydroponic system is set up. And you can see how they reuse each part in order to assist the other parts with growing. It's a whole ecosystem.
This tells you about the egg farms.
Oh. And what is that?
These are giant shells. You see the big shells? Things used to live in those. The conch. Those are conch shells. There they are.
Okay, Vivian, what'd you find this time? All right, you found the conch shells, and then she also pointed to the clownfish and some other things as well. And this is what a conch looks like. Do you like eating conch? I actually don't. I find that kind of rubbery. I don't really like that. Okay, Vivian, what you looking for now?
I'm looking for.
All right, I think that's in that room over there. Look, you found it. Okay, what's it called? Ocean turbine. Okay, let's read the plaque and see what it is. The ocean turbine is designed and built as a demonstration platform for developing the deployment and operational procedures for ocean current devices. It's also intended as a research platform to investigate and optimize components for commercial ocean current turbines. The rotor is 3 meters in diameter, and the OCT's generator is rated at 20 kilowatts. Okay, what's next? Okay, what are we looking for next?
This one. The Royal Grandma.
Okay, I highly doubt that fish is called the Royal Grandma, but we'll look for it anyway. Oh, it really does say Royal Grandma. Gramma. Is this it back here? Does that look like the same kind of fish to you?
That's a black fish.
Did you find something else instead? What did you find?
I found it.
The chemical model? Very good. What chemical is it? This is a Dragnocidin G, is a marine natural product with potent antibacterial activity. That's a lot for a 7-year-old. Is the Royal Grandma in here somewhere? That fish is very bluish. Lots of colorful fish. If I had to guess, I think it's in this tank. I think that's it right there.
Where?
What do you think? That little purple fish with the yellow tail. I just think it shows up differently when it's printed out. I've been told that that's not the fish, and that if I had my own checklist that I could mark that one down, but she's not accepting it. It is not meeting her standards. We checked with the front desk and found out that Vivian was in fact correct, and that it is actually located inside of this tank, but that it is probably hiding within this coral reef.
Did you find it?
I think we found him. This is the one right here, but he won't turn and show us the rest of his body. He's hiding. Can you see him? She has 9 more things to go, but actually I think most of them are going to be pretty easy to find. There's like the sea sponge is right over there. All right, there is this item. There's a submersible somewhere. We didn't find the submersible, but we found the sensors, which are right behind me. We're still looking for the submersible model, but we found the hard coral behind us. Also the soft coral. Now we're back to this tank to identify the sea urchins, and there are several of them in there. Can you see them? So now you have 2 more left. We've got to find the submersible model. We found the submersible model. She just has 1 more thing to locate. It's Chickpea's story. Oh, you have 2 more. Okay. I found it. Chickpea is a dolphin right here. And oh, I thought this might be a touchscreen. It's not. Okay, do you have anything else? Okay, she's still checking off the same one. There you go, you got it checked. And so, we're gonna look at...
You have to find it.
Oh, I saw that one. I know where it is. It's right over here on this side. We found it. Yay. Now it's time to see what kind of prize they get.
Nice, she's all done. Oh, a walrus. Thank you. What do you say?
And of course, there's a gift shop. Okay, we're finished. I found out the boat tour is actually $40 per person. All right, what did you think?
I thought it was fun, and I even got this walrus.
Yay, that's good. And you?
And it wasn't crazy and little, but it was big.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that means. You can try to figure that out too. It filled about 37 minutes of time, so that's pretty nice, I think.